Good morning, dear students. In our last video, we have done the IUPAC naming rules up to point 6. Today, we will start with the 7th point. This is the naming rule for the optical isomers. Dextro and levorotatory optical active compounds are designated by पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव साइन और बाय स्मॉल डी और स्मॉल एल. अगर तुम्हारे पास डेक्स्ट्रो रोटेटरी कंपाउंड है तो हमें स्मॉल डी लिख के आएगा और हमने IUPAC नेम में पॉजिटिव साइन डालना है, दैट टू इन ब्रैकेट्स. और अगर हाँ यहाँ पे स्मॉल एल होता है तो हमने यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में माइनस का साइन डालना था. रेस्ट ऑफ द नेमिंग विल रिमेन सेम. यहाँ पे K3 है पोटेशियम आयन, सो वी विल राइट पोटेशियम. Since it has 3 molecules of potassium, we can write 3 negative over here. Since the charge on C2O4 is -2, we can let the charge on Cr. So X minus 6 is equal to -3 because there are 3 molecules of oxalatum. So total oxidation state of chromium will come out to be +3. So the naming will be plus potassium trioxalatochromate 3 in bracket, right? This is the overall naming of this optical isomer. Next is the naming of the bridging groups in polynuclear coordinating compound. तो हमने bridging groups में naming कैसे करनी है, तो monodentate ligands that links the two metal atoms simultaneously. जो मोनोडेंटेट लिगेंड मेटल एटम्स को साइमल्टेनियसली लिंक करते हैं उसको हम ब्रिजिंग ग्रुप्स बोलते हैं. एंड दीज आर सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम द रेस्ट ऑफ द कंपाउंड बाय हाइफन्स इंटरनेटेड बाय द प्रीफिक्स म्यू. आई विल लेट यू नो दैट हाउ वी विल यूज दिस हाइफन्स और हाउ वी यूज दिस प्रीफिक्स म्यू. So this is this cobalt is a metal atom. Here also this cobalt is a metal atom. These two, this NH2 and OH are the ligands. These are the bridging ligands, right? On the both sides ethylene diamine, 2 molecules of EN are same. So first what we will do is we will write we will start the IUPAC naming from this EN2. Since we have said that if the complex ligands have 2 or 3 molecules, we will write it as bis or tris. So in this we have 2 molecules, so we will start with bis and we will write the full name of EN, that is ethane 1,2-diamine. Then we will write the name of metal, that is cobalt. I will let you know how they have calculated the oxidation state as 3. Now our naming has ended up to this. Now bridging starts over here, so we will separate this by a hyphen and then a mu. Then we will write the ligand which comes alphabetically first. So among this amine or hydroxo, which comes first is amido. So we will write mu amido, then again hyphen, then again mu, then hydroxo, right? We have done with this part. Now we will start naming for this part. Again bis, ethane 1,2-diamine, cobalt 3. At the end we have an ion, that is sulfate, so we will write it as a sulfate. So how come oxidation state to be 3? We have 2 cobalt molecules, so we will write it as 2x, right? We have -1 on NH2, -1 on OH, but 0 and 0 charge on EN. So -1 and -1 comes to be -2. And we are equating this to +4. Since SO4 has 2 molecules and one SO4 molecule has 2 negative charge, so two molecules of SO4 will have 4 positive charge on cation. These charges we have to write on our own, seeing the cation or the anion. So we will equate this with +4 and the oxidation state comes out to be +. Now the next rule is नेमिंग ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड्स कंटेनिंग मेटल मेटल बॉन्डिंग. उस कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड की कैसे नेमिंग करें जिसके अंदर मेटल मेटल बॉन्ड्स बनते हैं, लाइक like in this platinum bond. If the complex entity contains one metal bond, then prefix bi is used with the name of the metal atom. If both metal atom contains the same ligand, then prefix symmetrical is used. तो कहते हैं कि अगर दो मेटल एटम हैं तो हम उसके साथ बाई यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बट उसके साथ अगर लिगेंड्स भी सेम हैं तो हम सिमेट्रिकल वर्ड यूज़ कर सकते हैं, लाइक इन दिस here also chlorine attached, here also chlorine attached, here methylamine attached, here also methylamine attached. So we can write symmetrical and we can write the combined oxidation state for both halves. We will write dichloro, 2 molecules of chlorine, so dichloride. We have 4 plus 4, 8 molecules of methylamine, so 8 will be called as octates methylamine. Then we have 2 molecules of platinum, we will write biplatinum. Then oxidation state I will tell how to do. It will come out to be 2, and then at the end we will write chloride. So here you have to calculate oxidation number. We have 2 molecules of platinum, so we will write it as 2x. Then this methylamine has 0 charge, this methylamine has 0 charge, but chlorine has -1 charge, so we will write -2. We will equate this with 2 positive, because in chlorine we have in a single chlorine molecule we have 1 negative charge, but in 2 molecules of chlorine we will be having 2 negative charge, which in cation will go as 2 positive. So we will equate it as 2 positive. So 2x plus 2x is equal to 4 and x comes out to be 2. So overall oxidation state for platinum will come out to be 2. In this page I have written many examples along with the answers. Try to solve these IUPAC names on your own and then match your answers. If you have any query and if you are not able to calculate its oxidation state, please ask me. Also tomorrow we will be having today we will be having Zoom meeting, and you can discuss any query with me in that meeting. Thank you.